Hey guys, this is 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. I had to change the headlight on the Grime because I blew the headlight, so I just wanted to share with you a little tip. All these headlights, whether you get the basic one like I did this time, I got a cheap one this time, or you get the really good ones, it is said that it's not good to touch the glass with your fingers. Like the oil on your skin shortens the life of the bulb. And it's not like it'll only work a couple hours or something, but maybe it'll take a couple months off the life of the bulb. Something about the way your oil reacts when it gets hot on this glass and stuff. It's always best to try to not touch the glass with your hands. Leave oil on there from your fingers. That's it for this week, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.